Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì mi. Ẹ wo, ẹ wá nǹkan kẹ́ fìdílé o, kẹ́ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ lórí Very Dark Man pẹ̀lú Olóyè Sunday Igboho nípa ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà pẹ̀lú àwọn gọ́fúmẹ̀ntì àtàwọn olóṣèlú tí wọ́n fi wá ṣe kíni, tí wọ́n fẹ̀mí wa tàfàlà, tán tẹ̀mí wa fún àwọn Fúlàní, táwọn Fúlàní ń pa bó ṣe wọ́n, tí àwọn gọ́fúmẹ̀ntì tí wọ́n ṣe kíni, tí wọn ò rí tiwa rò. Ẹ wo, ẹ wá nǹkan kẹ́ fìdílé, kẹ́ wá fetí gbé ìyàwó ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi subscribe, ẹ dẹ̀ bá mi share fídíò yìí.
This opportunity to call on our youths. You can do better. Yahoo is not a job. I know it is the government that has made you who you are. No job. But did Very Dark Man say no job? No. He took advantage of the opportunity of social media. Good evening, ma. Good evening, Auntie Sharon. Good evening, ma. He took advantage of it and used this medium to speak out. Like I said, I'm happy today because he is back to the country. VDM came back yesterday from China that he went to do his business. Auntie Ruth, he came back, yeah, and what he did, he organized, just coming back from China. If you see the airport yesterday, Abuja airport was something else yesterday because of just one young guy. A guy of about 30 years old or 30-something years old. I don't know how old VDM is. Pata 35. I'm not sure even if he's up to that age. I've told you he might have his own kinio. I'm not talking about his past. Ekale Antajoke namesake. No. But he came back like an hero yesterday. You see the youths were already waiting for him. Because those people in the bush, in the forest, nobody, I am telling you, nobody is speaking out for them. Bagbiye. Politicians are sitting daily, thinking of re-election. All they are doing is still politics. Pure politics. Governance is no more in Nigeria for now because everybody is seeking for re-election. So there is nobody that is speaking out for them. The First Lady of Nigeria is not speaking for them as a mother. She's busy distributing vehicles to women leaders, talking about their achievements for the past 3 years. That's what our First Lady is all about. Our governors are coming, even the governor of that state is still saying, my hands are tied. What can I do? It seems there is no hope for these children and the teachers. Nobody is speaking out. Even the protests that people said they were doing, the teachers did protest. They have said everybody sit at home. Yeah? But believe me, that little protest just lasted for about 2-3 days. And we didn't hear anything about protest again in Nigeria. That guy came back yesterday from his trip. My God. The whole Abuja stood still for him. Everybody. Odabi Obani. And today, he has started the real protest. And his protest is bring back our children. Tinubu has failed us. Yes. Whether you want to say some politicians are using him or no, but can't we see? Can we not see that those children have nobody to speak for them? And everywhere in Nigeria today, I mean in Abuja, the protest was massive. That's what we call peaceful protest. And when he was coming, he told them, please, no, this is not a carnival. We are not here to play music. I don't want music. I don't want, funfair. No, this is not funfair. Because that was what made them to fail in the NSAS thing. NSAS later became a carnival. They started having parties, musicians coming in. They wanted to make kids like, but it wasn't given. Politicians took advantage of that and, infused them with hooligans, and they destroyed everything. That is why he said, no music, no gallivanting. We are weeping. Let them see it in us that Nigerian youths are ready. They know how to divide us. They wanted to divide us with the Sharia thing. But when they say that, people are getting it, they'll be looking for ways. But when our youths are saying, no way, we are ready to take it back. The real take it back starts with these people. Believe me, VDM, na mama born you. God bless the mama we born you. And you could see that, you see the anger in the youths. They are out. They are crying. They are seeking for help. International help is what we need now. No hope for those people. Nigerian government has their jets. They have everything. They are not going in, they said, because they are afraid that if they go in with force, they are going to destroy things because of those children. Don't they have a way to do it? Do they not have any other means of getting these children out? Does it mean that we'll have to wait? Because if the government is saying we don't want to go in with force, what are they doing? That means there's no hope. Because if you are not going to use force, there's no way you want to go in there. What is the way out? Because most of their apologists will come here and tell you that, they cannot go there because if they go by force, they will kill the children, they will do this. Then which is the way out? VDM has told us today that there is no going back. Until we have those children back and the women and the men, the teachers there. Those teachers have their families. They have the men have their wives. The women have their husbands. They have their own children too, crying daily because their mother, their father are there without hope. The children, those ones, the parents are already collecting rice because that's the only thing the government can give them. So we have to stand up as mothers here, as fathers here. Let's work together with VDM. I am subscribing to VDM's policies on good governance. Yes. I believe in speaking out. Not by force. No, let's make it peaceful. At least since morning that they started their campaign, their protest, there has not been any, wahala. Everything has been going on well. That's what we want. Because me can tell you the truth. Politicians are just looking for the election. If people are not speaking out, the moment they know that we have kept quiet, they will not do anything about those children. Believe me. So that's why I've come tonight to give us the good news that VDM is out there as a youth that has not failed us, a youth that has not used his background to say it is because I have no parents, I have no both parents, that's why I have become useless in the society. Is leading millions of Nigerians. Our youth can do better. All they just need is somebody out there in front of them they can call a leader. I don't see VDM, compromising. No. Let me leave my mommies to talk. Momsies, have you heard? Good evening, moms. Momsies. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Momos. Momo. Auntie Shehu Momo. Auntie Ruth Momo. Jumi Momo. Momo ma sọ̀rọ̀. Hello. Auntie Ruth ló one day o Auntie Jumi. Ẹ tó ìwọ̀n sọ̀rọ̀ ni àbí ẹ̀yà dé pé wọ́n Auntie Ruth Auntie àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ dáhùn.
Can you give me 1 second, please? Please? No. My sister, you know I love you. No, you be able to take more than 1 second. When you're done, I'll speak. Yeah, please. I just want to say and check, okay? Today, I want everybody to know. VDM gained 1 more fans. Die fan fans. Because before I don't really like him. You said, you know what, because of what is going on between him and somebody that we love, one of the actors, and that one that goes to our daughter, that he started doing all that stuff. That is why I don't love him before. But now he gained 1 more add fans in you. And let me tell him, whatever you are doing, Lydia, whatever you are doing, just be focused. Be focused. Don't look at anybody like, VDM, you want to give me this, don't do it. I just want him to see this, what's the name? The name of this man that owns this, is, Davido S. Mama's uncle. What's his name?
Dele Momodu. Dele Momodu. Ṣé Dele Momodu lẹ ń sọ ni?
Dele Momodu ti face nǹkan táwọn VDM face lẹ́nìí. Ní àǹtí Àjọkẹ́ Dele Momodu. Ó ti face nǹkan tí VDM face lẹ́nìí.
During Nadeko time.
Kó wo ibi tí àwọn Dele Momodu, kó wo ibi tí gbogbo wọn wà. Even our president that Soleni, he faced the same thing. But I don't know why they cannot say the truth. Because what he knew, what he do, more they saw, what he did, more they saw, more. And I just want him to face where he's going. Don't look at anybody. And I just want you to face what you're doing with the youth. Don't even allow anybody to come over to you and come and fight for me before. Like before, you want to speak for somebody? No. Face them as God has gave you the power to face them. And nothing will happen to you. We really appreciate it. And I thought this guy, D1, is doing something that I don't really like. I love that D1 before, but now I switched my love from D1 and I give it back to what's his name? Very dark man. Now he's my ad fan. Can you talk to Mama support anytime, any day? I will be praying for him because he's doing wonderfully job. He's really doing wonderfully job. And all around my work, that is all I want to say. That again, fans to Mama I will fight for him anywhere, any day. Like one our auntie used to that woman check for London auntie tomorrow auntie you know she match a fruity there. I see not the lady you like they used to call them that they are lazy.
You are breaking.
They don't want to do this. Why is VDM to tell the our lazy youth Nigeria? That is all I want to say, and God is going to be with you.
Thank you.
We continue to pray for you until you can continue.
Thank you very much. Yeah, Junior TV, you said something about VDM. Like I said, when I started my discussion, I said where he has his own past, you understand? But what I appreciate in him is the fact that he's not allowing his past to determine his present. Yes, but let me tell you, like you said rightly, it was rude, you understand? And it took some nasty parts in Mohbad's issue. Mohbad's issue, you understand? It was the one that was, pushing out some narratives. And, people can be used. Anybody can be used at any time. I believe that it was used at that time. And it might have its own reason. You understand? But believe me.
I understand that it was used. It was used. That time it was used. I think now he realized everything that it was like a mistake. You can see that he does not even put his mouth on that issue anymore. He faced what he want to face. That is exactly what you want him to do. That he should not be like, come and listen, this one. No. Don't put your mouth into that matter anymore. Just face where you are going. And a lot of people will support. I know there's everybody no man share mistake now. I want to share your consent to myself. People when VDM was like doing all that, I think more calling it. You know, when you know you're calling, you will be like face front.
Even after that time when he was doing that, he could have chosen to be a criminal now. But he didn't.
Yeah, I think he was looking for what to eat
Benny.
that time. Yeah. I think that is why, that is why it's good for somebody to let's continue to tell our children, don't mingle with bad kidney. I think that time, mingle with bad friends. You understand? You understand?
There's still hope.
So I think now, I think he knows what God called him for, and it's like he focused. We just want him to be focused. That's it.
Thank you very much. Yes. So he now knows that, it's all about. Ma? Hello, ma. So VDM knows his calling. For now, we are happy with him. Since yesterday, see Nigerians, listen.
No, only maybe people in the WhatsApp. I'm not gonna see problem. I don't see some people they complain say, very dark man where they kick against protest. I don't carry a rat and then go they do protest. Let's be realistic. As you see me, so as a bit talk truth for the social media. Very dark man not actually kick against protest like that. Waiting it talk say make on need the let government know on our protest. Like say if you want protest on the 20th of this now, no con the announce so on the 20th you go gather here, we go do this one, you understand? Then go there away, then go plan ahead of you understand? If they on away, no tell them and I waiting him and rat they do then they WhatsApp group, they not plan this thing, you understand? I think they come back in and tell all those in there that say we protest, so they not the plan of WhatsApp group, but they not announce location anything, you understand? They don't do a underground planning, you understand? That's why she say all the ratters and the troop, they go Abuja from Port Harcourt, from the Delta, from everywhere, you understand? They gather for that place, you understand? People say that normal welcoming, just to go airport, go welcome them. In case they want to arrest them, you understand? They don't know say that protest on our way, you understand? That's why the thing come make sense, you understand? He never, really they talk say, protest now, but he just say, why they tell government say one protest, you understand? Just plan the thing on the ground, you understand? And I wait in practice, waiting in preach for this one. I don't go lie, in practice and the thing work for them, you understand? Now, why we make you know whether or not the thing will change Nigerian situation too, you get? Make you know whether Tinubu go answer them, whether Tinubu go enter bush, go bring out the guests now and the thing. If another one in practice, which to me is a good thing. Yes,
he go enter bush. Baba Tinubu, you go enter bush.
For Nigeria yesterday night, even today.
The guy said, if it means that we, all Vatel, will go into Ogbomoso and go to the bush and get those children, something must be done. The question is, this my brother Igbo, come. If they told, because you are saying that they have not given you the go ahead to go into the bush. Brother Igbo, Daddy Igbo, our Yoruba leader, can't you go there without anything? Go and use your power now, Papa Igbo. Because I don't understand. Because I don't understand why Igbo is still waiting for governor's instruction to go and get our children out. If kilo ṣẹlẹ̀ bí kò yé mi, ṣe bí Igboho lágbára. Kó lọ, kó di ọ̀fẹ́ o, Baba Igboho dé. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ dìde. Igboho, please, my brother, I love you. Gbogbo ẹnu tẹ́ kàn ṣe papa. We don't want papa. Go into the bush and bring those children. Uncle Igboho, must you wait for Governor Seyi Makinde to say go come? Let's go. Kò yé mi o. Announcements. Auntie Ruth, are you ready? Abiyamo.
I'm not ready. Someone else can speak.
It's Abiyamo. Abioye. All right, ma. 10 minutes. Abioye. Ìmọ́lẹ̀ flash. Kò fọ́nì sí yín ni. Igboho ẹnu nìkan ni. Sunday Igboho can talk. Ẹ wo. Nigeria Air Force Base, no. They went in there, all the Ratel. Sunday Igboho, ẹnu lásán ni daddy wa ń gbé Sunday Igboho. Ẹnu ni. Láti jọ yìí, wọ́n ti lọ sínú bush. Ẹ wo, wọ́n ti kó gbogbo kíní. Kakakakakala kò máa gbọ́. Dadadadada. You will see, they are going to the forest. Mọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Òun ni. Sunday Igboho storms Kogi town ahead of planned Southwest Forest takeover. When are you taking over the forest? We have not heard anything. Ọmọ wa ti dé ṣá tó fẹ́ ṣe because I don't understand. Ẹ kàn máa ń rojọ́. But that Sunday, ẹ̀yin náà rojọ́ ẹ ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ kàn wọ́n kàn show yín Sunday Igboho in the forest. Sunday Igboho, where are the children? Ẹ kàn gbogbo ẹjọ́ yìí ti pọ̀ jù ẹ gbọ́. Mo fi Ọlọ́run tó dẹ̀ mí mi búra.
Àwọn èèyàn ń ṣe sí gidi. Mo fi ṣe bọ́ra. Èyí bí tèmi ni wọ́n. Wọ́n ní bàtọ̀ àwọn olóṣèlú kẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni we know.
Mo dẹ̀ ti sọ fún ọ pé táwọn olóṣèlú ti ń bẹ̀lẹ́ wọn bá stop èmi máa dárúkọ gbogbo wọn. I know that.
Look at that statement that the politicians are behind those kidnappers. That he will mention them. So he knows those people. He's saying that he will mention all the politicians, and the government has not asked him. So they know. There's no even why am I even Motundoworu? Have they told us that they don't know? Gumi has said President Tinubu knows every kidnapper, every bandit by name. So they know them. Brahmi Sunday. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, Brahmi sọ pé n tó ṣe fún Jonathan ló fẹ́ ṣe fún bàdá mi Tinubu ń sìn. That means because it was Tinubu that was there. Hey, gbogbo ẹ̀yọ́ ọmọ Tinubu, you know this guy is Tinubu boy now. Yes, Sunday Igboho is a politician. He has always been a politician. That look at what he said here. He said what they did to what's that name? Goodluck Jonathan. Sure, we have not agreed now. So he's confirming it that Tinubu and his people chased Goodluck Jonathan out with bandits.
Politics, because you watch politics, need to see your young and you know why no?
Why no? No, but sincerely, why no? Kí ló dé? Ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ bá yín gbogbo wa là ń sunkún lójoojúmọ́ yìí? Gómìnà Ṣèyí Mákindé máa ṣe yín léṣe o, kẹ́tọ́ ṣe orí bí orí àgbọn 4 pence yẹn. Máa ṣe yín léṣe o. Brahmi Sunday said, I am ready to go into the bush. Did you not hear Brother Sunday? Auntie Sheun, are you there? Auntie Sheun wà lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ ni. Brahmi Sunday said he wants to go. Gbọ́ ni Auntie Sheun. Ma? Ẹ kálẹ́ mà.
Ọlọ́run kó bá wa dá VDM sí o.
Àmì o.
Ọlọ́run kó bá wa dá sí. Ó kú ọmọ ṣe, ó kú ìlú, ó kú tẹ́ lọ́rùn. Mo ìyá àjèrè ẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù.
Àmì o Jésù, ẹ̀yin náà jèrè àwọn ọmọ yín, èmi náà jèrè tèmi o. Àmì lórúkọ Jésù Ọlọ́run.
Ó kú iṣẹ́ náà. In fact, èmi ti ń follow ẹ̀ for a long period. I'm always objective. Me care pé I'm not mi ṣe èèyàn kan lẹ́yìn tèmi èèyàn kan ló
God forbid.
I'm always objective. So mo support ẹ for a very long time. The only aspect mi kan kì í support ní tọmọ kékeré bá ń rú.
Bí àgbàlagbà fin. God bless you.
One thing I just want to add to nǹkan tí Sister Jimmy kọ́kọ́ sọ ni wípé bí a ṣe ń form movement kò jù báyìí lọ tó máa dín ńlá. Gbogbo àwọn tó ti ṣe ní other side of the world, àwọn ti America, àwọn everywhere, àwọn Jesse Johnson, gbogbo wọn ṣe ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ jù báyìí náà lọ. Mo dẹ̀ gbàgbọ́ pé èmi àágùn ó ti form movement ẹ̀ nìyẹn. The only advice tí mo kàn máa fún ni wípé ó lọ wá ní strict policies and procedures lórí àwọn youth yẹn. Okay, for instance, irú work tó ń ṣe ní ìgbà tó ti dé àti títí di èní, ó wà successful, ó wà peaceful. Wọ́n fààyè lẹ̀ fún àwọn touts láti overtake gbogbo plan tí wọ́n lọ loot to public places. Everything was peaceful. So in that line, bóyá máa wá tó ní how much education tó ní, bóyá wọ́n máa wá pe àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa àwọn tó mọ organization building ṣe professionally wọ́n á lè guide ẹ̀ pé if you are a RATEL member ìwọ tó fẹ́ join movement for the sake of Nigerian progress ọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń di jàǹdùkú ọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń di pé à ń jalè ọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bó tiẹ̀ jọmọ yẹ you have to be honest. Strong motor.
Auntie Seun, people are saying English, please, because people that can't understand that.
Right. Sorry about that.
Sorry, man. Sorry, guys.
I'm just applauding VDM's efforts and everything he has been doing since all these days. I've been his follower for a very long time anyway, and I appreciate all his efforts. And I'm praying that he will live long. He will not die. He's a mom will not weep over him.
Amen.
And by the grace of God, he will carry this organization for a long period. And all these evil people, they will not hijack the organization from him.
Amen.
That we are forming an organization, something strong. It doesn't start more than this. He has started it. And God will empower him. Everywhere we go that he needs to progress, God will provide for him. Now, what I'm saying now is, I don't know how much education he's got. I don't know how educated he is. But for people that are experts in organization building, maybe he can contact them and let him have a structure, policies and procedures that he must follow, everybody must follow to move forward. For instance, since yesterday that they've started this war protest, we have not had that anyone goes out to steal, to loot, to do any rubbish. This is applaudable. I applaud them for that. So on that, those are the things that you will put in instruction that if you want to be part of me, if you want a future for Nigeria, these are the behaviors we want in the youth without distraction, and you should focus on it. If there is anybody, whatever, and one thing that has helped him that I really, many parties have approached him to come and join him. He refused, and that has really helped him. He's a principled, he appeared to be a principled person. Don't join, this is not a party, the organization is not going to be based on party, but to face to promote good governance and go against bad governance. That is what you are meant for. To speak for the masses, that is your aim, and focus on that. Don't get distracted. No matter how much benefit they want to offer you, don't get distracted, and let your members, people that are close to you, have the same principle that no. It's not about our own benefit, but for future generations, for us to restore Nigerian glory back. I think that is what he is meant for. And for the oppressed to be released, that we want to put an end, or if we cannot put an end, at least reduce the level of oppression in our society. That is how, for instance, look at it's not about a party. One party is good, APC, or what's the other name?
Who cares? NDC, NIS, NMS, Peperano.
If anybody that is put in place mismanage our money, call them out. That is what we are for. It's not then like okay, majority of his followers are youths, but it's a thing of shame. It's a thing of shame that, okay, when they are mentioning the suspects, for instance, behind this Ogbomosho kidnapping, they are all youths. So things like that is what he should go against, and put it down on white and black that if you want to belong to this society, to this organization, no to that. You cannot be a party to that. If you are doing it, you should appeal to the youth that if you are doing such a thing, please desist, stop it. Become a new person, become a newborn, and stop it. And you see that there will be hope for future generation. There will be hope for Nigeria again. So once again, congratulations, VDM. May you live long.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus. May you carry cross to the end, and may you see the fruits of your labor. It will be fruitful. It might be difficult, but I know for sure that it will be fruitful if you have more people that have your own spirit. It will work out. So that's my take.
More Nigerian youths, if they can take his, a lead like that, we'll get a better Nigeria. Thank you very much, because it's in our hands. Our future is definitely in our hands, and it's only the youth that can help us out. Let's listen. Auntie, you're not talking about Boda Sunday now. Why is Boda Sunday not going? Okay, let me play his voice.
Oh yeah. Brother Sunday.
Hey.
Brother Sunday, to me, the way he appears to me is this. At the initial stage, before his sojourn abroad,
when he went into that Benin Republic.
I believe that he had a genuine fight. He had a genuine heart. He wanted to help the oppressors. But now he has returned to Nigeria on a placard of with the help of the current Olubado of whatever. So to me, it's like he owed them.
His allegiance would be to them.
Exactly. It's like once he capture where his hands are now tied. So he can, I don't see him as objective or as, I don't want to use the word, he's honest. But I can never be as objective as possible anymore. He will have to dance to the current APC, whatever, because they are his helper.
They are the financier.
There are some things that he will see that they are wrong. He will turn blind eye to them. That is it.
And because he belongs to the opposition party with this guy now, you know.
And another thing that I want to imagine is this. He's forming his own security organization.
Outfit, yeah.
Or what do they call it?
Iruekun.
The problem I'm having is this. With that, anybody don't form here on a local level. When we have military, see about 178,000 ammunition cannot be accounted for. Only one genie military time or how are we going to account for? Who is going to control the arms, stone banning, lori Iruekun? I'm just using him as an example.
Just like the OPC, some OPC members were caught some days ago.
The government, I'm not in the government, but I don't know what you might pay. I'm not in government, but you might favor or you might allow it. Rather than allow individuals or organizations to do that. You saw the American place, in which everybody is. After licensing, examination, allow everybody to carry gun. That is what I say in it. Let everybody carry gun. In America, anyone is allowed to carry gun. Although you have to go through the process and procedure. It's not that you just go to the market and buy it. There will be assessments. If we can do it, but then the question is Nigeria ripe enough with the level of corruption that we are endemic in? It's like our gene.
I would say it's very dangerous for them to let us carry gun.
That build every Nigerian up is made from corruption. That's the unfortunate one. We always want shortcut. What are we talking about?
Hey.
Driver's license. I'm almost in Nigeria now.
Auntie Sheung, do you know the last time I went for my driver's license? They said, I thought we were going to sit for it just the way we do here. And when we got there, when they were saying, don't worry now, just sit down, we'll bring it. I said, I can write it myself. It's question and answer. They said, no, we have to pay. They will do it, don't worry. I was like, 2 minutes, I think, my driver's license, they had in 90. Last year.
1997. More experienced driver's license. Media because of my person.
So they now do the normal by Thomas Joko exam. I'm telling you, Auntie Sheung, it was even the official there that was telling me that I don't have to sit down.
Then you, my driver's test in that you can drive 100 meters, it's only multi-pass.
In Nigeria.
You know, because I was bringing it, I was in South Africa then, and I was taking it to South Africa. And you know, after some time, when you leave Nigeria, so you know, do it right.
Definitely.
You don't want to do shortcut. So mo force ara mi sọ pé okay o ṣé àwọn kí lorúkọ àwọn tó ń ṣe títì yẹn
road safety FRS
road safety ló ń ṣe lọ́dún náà èmi á ní pé okay mo ṣàfẹ́ ṣe mi ò drive 50 meters honestly only mo pass only me go what this is how it's easy in Nigeria but what are we saying?
So we'll get there. And then if our youth can, because the protest today was massive, and
the protest of today, I need hope. If we have a leader to do it right, the followers will do it right.
That's it. And they are asking for nothing but good governance.
The leader of the movement, yes. So if the leader does it right, the followers will do it right. Well, that's what I've seen in this movement today.
The movement, it was massive. And at least no shooting has been reported. No, so it shows. He even said, I think he said, the defense minister, the defense something said, the youth should come out and speak out. That's it now. So if the youth can speak out, they will have something. Defense headquarters, because I think they went in there today everywhere. So let's hear about that.
So if they can talk like this, it will be good. Then by the time they will advance in Jesus' name.
Amen.
The point in which we are hearing from dirty news in which one public officer, Amaji, $1 trillion. Àbí èèyàn kan sọ pé ní SCDC tó gbé wọn lọ sí house níjọ́wọ́ ní àwọn tó fẹ̀sùn wọn committee pé kán wá account fún owó then fi $150 million
comfortably. God.
So things like that, let me expect they can follow up, call one out
without fear, without they still with impunity in Nigeria. They still with impunity. Talo mamuni. Just one person.
And you the population one Nigeria. Which means an individual in Nigeria is a millionaire.
Millionaire, be billionaire, those ones there, up there. Billionaire. Millionaires don't, there's nothing like millionaires in Nigeria against billionaires. If somebody can go into a party and start spraying millions in the box like this to Elere, those ones are more than millionaires now, because in a party they can spend up to 10 million naira. So you can imagine what they have in their bank account for them to spend such.
Yes, thinking of little things in those days. Of a picture, not a picture, ni Makoko area. You know, that picture.
Yaya Bello. He said it now when BDM was giving his speech. He said Yaya Bello, the same Yaya Bello, is out there contesting, being the flag bearer of his party. Somebody that's still facing EFCC crime of stealing, embezzlement.
So these are the people in which
Nigeria hail you.
And to go after, to call them out. And
So
it's their country, it's their future, they are the future leaders.
Yes,
they have to fight
it belongs to them.
Because by the time some people unfortunately, you man lost stack foreign government
foreign banks.
So yes, by the time the generation over there, the leader, there will be nothing for them to spend. Then all these rubbish loans, here and there, they should call them out. Enough is enough. You don't loan for. Loan here, loan there, loan here, loan there. Yet every move oil subsidy.
IMF chatted yesterday and said, Kilo Day, another loan. IMF is calling on Nigerian government to say, no, this is too much.
The two houses, Senate and House of Reps, and approve it.
It's getting worse.
So contact leaders is their vehicle. It's uncalled for.
I want to call out.
So thank you, VDM and every other youth out there. May God help you with this movement. Thank you, Auntie Shio. Chasers. Mr. Chasers. Ekalesa, how are you, sir?
All the time. They have a period.
Kí ló dé?
Mo rí pé ẹ wá online láti bí 2 days.
Mo wá, ẹ̀yin lè jáde, bóyá àwọn boys ló bá wa di ibẹ̀ yẹn pa. I was out yesterday. I was out, Nabi.
Actually, I was looking for you online, but
I was out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now I'm like thinking sister Shewun is it 1,005
Yes,
so
yeah.
I love her opinion so much. And the first person I think wrote, everyone has said something beautiful.
Jumi.
Yeah, Jumi. So everyone has said something beautiful, but the fact remains that surely in Nigeria we are not ready yet. I personally, if you can follow crowd, what people say or what people think is right. I believe in even in the midst of those 1 million people, you know what is wrong, you know what is right. Now, everything in Nigeria has been bastardized. And according to Chinua Achebe, he said, a man who does not know where the rain began to beat him may as well not know where he dry himself from. And so these people don't care about us. Let's call a spade, and they will never care. If by now, at 2026, we are still facing this kind of military, this and this and this. Surely, there are some excuses that people come and the public. Understand?
Yeah, baby. No, go on. Okay. Yeah, baby, how are you? How are you, ma?
Take this one then. So, you understand now?
Yeah.
Sure.
I need focus.
I don't think.
Hey, yeah, anyway, let me share that way. Don't worry, Mr. Chasers. I know you were saying that, Mr. Chasers is talking about, that we are not ready. I want to believe that we are ready. It starts from somewhere. If these youths can come together, just yesterday when this guy came back, thank you, Toyin and Toyin, good evening, ma. When this guy just came back from abroad, you can see that already he knows that this is the job that we are going to do, and they have been meeting behind. If we are saying we are not ready, no, I wouldn't say that we are not ready. I just think that Nigerians need somebody that can sacrifice themselves and say, yeah, I am ready to be, in front. We go fire ba ibonye, can we follow it? Do you understand? Yeah, I think that's what's happening.
Yes. So, if I don't find bomb, I think I love it. I feel like you love it. Magoya, one, I'm flying as a pay. Timba City, I'm a
So Sunday Igboho said that he went to meet Governor Seyi Makinde one-on-one and told Governor Seyi Makinde, let me go into the bush. I have all that it takes. I have Ogun, Abenu Gongo to go and face these people. And Governor Seyi Makinde told him that, look, I don't want you to go there because the bandits said if you come, they will waste the lives of those children.
Okay, now, no problem. Remember, one back game politics.
He's urging all the youths to please take charge of that country. That because tomorrow belongs to them, and he has not lied on that. Sunday Igboho is old. I am old. One day, all of us will not be there again. It is your country. If you don't stand for it now, you will lose out. He has not lied on that. That is a
Give me. Give me. Give me. Yes, of me, Nigeria, terrorists to Benubu. Okay, now, most of them say, terrorists are forest, you want be by. We are fairly as you, Banama and Budu, at the fly, at Ibu, Elimo, come out with the Babe, Uncle Bombo, hello. Because I want to live it. I want to monitor it.
If truly this guy has a means of getting in there and getting these people out, why are they not allowing him? It seems something is not right. Abi, I know, I am sure he's giving us the assurance that he will bring those children back. Seyi Makinde, let him go now. Abi, Shebon lo lare àtàwọn boys tó fẹ́ kó lọ. And he said he's not asking for money. I'm not asking for money. I will go with my boys. I will go and bring those children out. Ha. Yeah. Governor knows that I can do something, but he's refusing.
Security network. State government is not pay any security
Politics. Federal government, accepted him and gave him license to become, a state. I mean, has his own private. And the state government said, no, you cannot practice here. So it is political. Sunday Igboho does not belong to this guy's party. He's not an APC guy. He's not a Makinde party, PDP. He's APC man. He owns Bola Ahmed Tinubu allegiance because it is Bola Ahmed Tinubu that brought him back safely from Kutonu, yeah, and it was Bola Ahmed Tinubu that is giving him back all his money, yeah, and his house that was vandalized and his properties, and it's back to business. You understand? I understand. Auntie Funky. Ni pele ni wa wa. Àwọn tó de díẹ̀ bí àwọn Yorùbá ga joja. So we can say mo to de pé bo ko ma de pé mo tún do o to se ri Adeyemi Omoba, how are you, sir? Is this guy saying the truth? Bless God. Emi. Enupo. Ogun pọ̀. Sunday ni sẹ́. Sunday. No, it's not. I'm just playing it. You like me? And you imagine, you are using our children to play politics. He said they are playing games with people's lives, children's lives. Why is it that we don't appreciate lives in Nigeria? Ordinary cats here in abroad, you can't play with their lives. But in Nigeria, it is easy to play with children's lives. Teachers in the bush, in the forest, without hope. Good evening, sir, Mr. DM.
Good evening, man. How are you today, man? How was your day?
Fine, sir.
Good.
Have you seen that this guy, video